हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका चैनल के डब्ल्यू टॉक्स में। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं स्टॉक इंडिगो पेंट्स। तो लेट्स सी द स्टॉक राइट एंड ऑन द साइट राइट इट्स इन द पेंट इंडस्ट्री, जहाँ पर इसके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर एमएस धोनी है राइट। यू कैन सी इन द स्क्रीन राइट इज शोइंग multiple exterior laminate paints right, and the rest of the many things right, emulsions also there right. So it shows many things right. You can visit on the site and have a quick checks right. It's being a good industry player at the moment right, just after the Asian Paint. Let's see the financials of the stock right on the screener. Let's jump into the key point of this stock, Indigo Paints. Almost expect कर रही है by the financial year 25 right. It's grow to its revenue by the 3 to 4 times of industry growth right. और EBITDA भी ये almost grow करने की कोशिश कर रही है by 50 to 100 bps by the financial year of 25. So that's very good from the company point of view. And see right, industry stock P is also trading at 48 value right, which is lower than the industry P which is 52. Second thing is जो कंपनी के ऊपर जो डेप्ट है right, it's very minimal, and ROCE it's 23 and ROE is 17% right, which is very good values from the company point of view. And let's see the P ratio right, from the last couple of years right. The company P is trading is very below the average value right. The median P of this stock is 63.3, while the current P value is around it's 49 right, which is very good from the company point of view. And let's jump into the quarterly profit of this company right. If you see from the quarter on quarter basis right, from last 2022 कंपनी का जो जुलाई में प्रॉफिट था राइट, इन 35 to 48 राइट, एंड फ्रॉम सितंबर मंथ 34 to 42, and in December month from 41 to 61 right, and in March 23 from 72 to 82 in the March 24 right, which is very good. कंपनी ने क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर बेसिस पे काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. एंड ऑन ईयर बेसिस राइट, इफ यू सी द कंपनी परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम द मार्च 2017 राइट, सी फ्रॉम कंपनी का जहाँ पर प्रॉफिट माइनस में था एंड देन इट स्टार्टेड इंक्रीजिंग इट्स प्रॉफिट्स राइट. नेट प्रॉफिट 327, 48, 71, 84, 132, and company in the March 24 right, company has posted the higher ever profits right, which is 149, which is very nice from company point of view. जो कंपनी का अर्निंग पर शेयर है राइट, इट्स ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग ग्रेजुअली राइट विद इंक्रीज इन द नेट प्रॉफिट, और हाईएस्ट एवर है राइट, which is around 31.22 value. Let's jump to the borrowing section of company, which is very minimal right, which is almost 17 crores only at the moment right, which is very minimal. और कंपनी के रिजर्व हैं 867 crore rupees right. And if you go to the fixed assets section right, कंपनी के पास फिक्स एसेट विच हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज बाय द 548, जो लास्ट ईयर इन प्रोग्रेस थे अराउंड 251, विच हैज़ बीन मिक्स टू दी फिक्स्ड एसेट्स नाउ. CWIP है विच इज़ 15. नाउ जंप इन टू दी शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न ऑफ दिस कंपनी. टेलर के पास राइट ओनली 16% है, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स 84 आर इन द स्ट्रॉन्ग हैंड्स राइट, इफ यू कैन सी इट राइट. लेट्स सी द चार्ट ऑन द ट्रेडिंग व्यू नाउ. सबसे पहले चार्ट को हम वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पर देखते हैं राइट. इस टाइम पे स्टॉक ऑलमोस्ट 1500 के आसपास ट्रेड कर रहा है राइट. इन दिस वैल्यू स्टॉक इज ट्रेडिंग राइट नाउ विच इज़ अ 1500 वैल्यू, एंड स्टॉक हैज़ मेड अ लास्ट लाइफ टाइम हाई विच इज़ अराउंड वैल्यू ऑफ 3300 right, approx 3300, and then stock started a journey of downfall, and then stock recovered somewhat and started aggregating right from couple of time right. Right from the this time pe stock almost 55% lower right from the lifetime high. And in the month of March 23 stock has made a bottom of approx 980 rupees right, and from its bottom स्टॉक ने ऑलमोस्ट रिकवरी दिखाई है विच इज़ अप्रॉक्स 50%, एंड देन स्टॉक इज इन अ कंसोलिडेशन. अब देखते हैं चार्ट को हम डेली फ्रेम के ऊपर, एंड लेट्स take the inside of this chart for a shorter duration. From the month of October 2023 right, stock is forming a very nice cup with handle pattern. Let's draw the first handle. This one is the first handle, this one is the second handle, this one is the third handle, and that's the depth of this cup. And again stock forming a nice handle again right in this zone here. Let's take the depth of this cup and put it on the resistance like we did before. So it's showing almost gain of 17% right, which is very good in the short term. And let's again see the chart, right, in some longer duration. 2022, it's also forming a very nice curve with handle pattern. Let's draw it. That's the first handle of this curve, that's the second handle, that's the depth of this curve, and that's the next handle it forming, right? So let's take the depth of this curve and put it on the resistance value, which is approximate, showing a 37% of the gain, right, in the longer duration. Overall chart शो कर रहा है, right, multiple curve with handle pattern, जो कि long term में एक शानदार तेजी दिखा सकता है, right? It's very good for overall stock point of view. और यदि stock, right, for example from the current value, if it goes to this lifetime high, it can give you the potential of almost 120%, right? It can be a multi-bagger in that case, right? So overall stock is in good shape, forming a multiple curve with handle patterns and trading almost less than 50% of its lifetime high. And considering the financial conditions overall, stock looks to be a very good in shape, right? It can be a multi-bagger in future. Keep a note, it's just observation. This is not a recommendations to buy or sell. Invest your money wisely. Keep watching, please support. Thank you again for watching it.